Okay, so I'm back. So as I said, what you have to do is they're going to give you a question like this. And yeah, I'm going to show you all the information, but the point is it'll be a lot easier if you just draw out a simple triangle for yourself. So again, you have a ladder, it's 8.5 meters long, and it makes an angle of 72 with the ground. So what you do is draw out, we're kind of looking here, draw yourself out a triangle that looks just like this. This is your triangle. So this is going to be the side of the building. Okay, side of the building. And as you can see, they've leaned a ladder against it. So here's your ladder. And then what you're going to do is you're going to finish off the triangle. So you have the side of the building, you have the ladder, and this is going to be the ground. Okay. Then fill in the information you have. So we know the ladder is 8.5 meters long. We have, it says it makes an angle of 72 degrees with the ground. So that's going to be right here. And they do give you that right there. Okay, so here's the ground, here's the ladder. It says you have an angle of 72 degrees with the ground. So therefore, that means your angle is 72 between the ladder and the ground. Now you have to solve. Now, everything here is sine. So you know that here's our sine ratio. Its sine of the angle is opposite over hypotenuse. Fill in what you can. Do we have an angle? The answer is yes, it's 72. O over h. Well, we better identify our O and our h. As you know a million times over, there's our 90. It points at our hypotenuse. Then you go to the angle in question, go across, that's your opposite. Okay, let's fill in what we have. Do we have our O value? No. They want us to find that height. It says how far up the building. Do we have our hypotenuse? It's 8.5. This is the strategy where you multiply the sine 72 close bracket times 8.5. So sine 72 times 8.5 gives you a value, it's about 8.1 or 8.08. So what we have found here then is if you take this ladder and you lean it on the building, it's 8.5 meters long, I get that. But how far up the building did it go? Well, from here to here, that is a distance of 8.1 meters. Do you see how we had to apply the sine ratio to that? We had to take this triangle and apply the sine ratio to it. Okay, I really, really hope that makes sense. What I can say to you, everyone, is it's key, it's crucial to draw pictures. I'm even going to cheat here. I'm going to go a little bit into the practice. So if I go to the next page, I just want to show you. You see, these ones here are kind of easy because they've given you the triangle. But if I show you number 2, it says a weather balloon with a string that's 15 meters is tied to the ground. So what I'll do here, so you just kind of draw it out. There's really no wrong way. So let's just call this line here is going to be your balloon and string. And we know it is 15 meters. Put that information in there. Now, how high is the balloon if the angle between the string and the ground... Oh, sorry. I apologize. I should have read a little bit quicker here. A weather balloon. Oh, you see, guys, the string. The balloon is 15. The string on the back of the balloon is 15 meters long. So what we have here is we're going to have this triangle. And we go like this. Okay. This is going to be your 90. Now it says here, how high is the balloon if the angle between the string and the ground is 38. So you know that this is your ground, and this is the string. This is the balloon string. So we know the angle between that is 38. We also know how long the string and the balloon is. It's 15 meters. And if you read the question carefully, it says how high is the balloon? As in, how high is it off the ground? So you see, you had to draw this out. So we know sine of the angle is opposite over hypotenuse. Now you label your sides. I'm going to start doing this a little bit quicker. That's your h. The height, which we're looking for, is our opposite. So sine of the angle, which is 38. Now it's O over h. We do not know O, so you can put x if you want, or you can leave it as O. Do we know our hypotenuse? Yes, it's 15. Hopefully by now you understand this step. We have to multiply those two. So sine 38, close bracket, times 15. it's about 9.23 meters. That means the balloon is 9.23 meters off the ground. Okay, practice these questions. Check your answers. If you're not sure, double check with your teacher or rewatch these videos. Okay, best of luck.